Ready?
Go!
Set, go! Whoops.
You almost got me. Dude, you're not getting up close.
We can fill some more. Fill some more up. Woo!
You can't take mine, I thought. Oh, it popped.
Those things rolled, huh?
Yeah, because it's so fast. Go ahead.
Hey, that one doesn't want to pop, huh?
You can't even hold it.
Oh! Oh! Oh, is that it?
I still have them.
You do? Okay, you want to fill up some more? Okay.
I win.